Hey YouTube, how you doing? It's been a while, I know, but hey, it's been hot. I've had a few orders I had to get fulfilled. Anyway, I figured to bring you out here today. It's hot, and I haven't used my CNC for a while because you're not supposed to use it when it's over 80 degrees. It's been, I don't know, 98 or something out here. But I have a fan hooked up to it, so it should keep cool. It should be okay for today. Anyway, you'll notice I have no hat on. That's how hot it is out here. I know I have scars all over my head from car accidents. Well, I'm sorry, that's how it is. I'm gonna cut this sign, the one we started out with the dog. All visitors must be approved by the dog or something. I'm gonna make a sign. Almost getting ready to paint this thing, and I have covered up the paws because I'm going to paint those a different color. I've cleaned out this text, and we'll take them over to my paint station. Now see, this has one coat of clear on it. It may look shiny and nice and everything, but what that one coat of clear does is it wets this wood and it will raise the grain. And the grain will stay there. It's be raised and you can't really see it, but you can sort of feel it. So what you do is you take a sander or any kind of hand sander, as long as it's about 220, take 220, go over this. I'm not going over the check, it's still a little wet. We go over this, and it will be smooth, be like glass. Next time the grain is already raised, it won't raise anymore. So when you put a second coat on it, it's going to just lay flat, be beautiful.